This video is sponsored by the brand YITAHOME.
So I got the TV stand or dresser from YITAHOME. I just got this thing assembled. I'm going to go over some of the frequently asked questions that I was seeing, answer this for you, and hopefully help you out. I also got a little video going in the corner. We can see this a little more close up so you kind of get a good understanding of what this dresser all has to offer. But let's get into the questions. What was the assembly time like? I was seeing. Second question was, can these lights be synced to music? And third question was, how easy do these drawers open and close? So for that first question, how easy was it to assemble? I got the whole thing assembled in about 40 minutes. I did it by myself. They give you all the tools that you need to do it. If you have somebody helping you, I bet you can honestly get it done in 30 minutes. It's very, very simple to do. Now for the second question, which is, can you sync these lights to music? So yes, they are able to do that. They got a remote, change all the different lights to them, put different modes on them. Like I said, sync them to music. And they also do have an app too. So if you don't want to mess around with the remote, you can download the app onto your phone and just control it off your smartphone, which I think is super nice. And the final thing is, how easy do the drawers open and close? So super, super easy to slide in. They close nicely, no gaps on there. So it's gonna work out really well for you. And they're huge too, like these ones down here can fit pants in them. Up here is very big too. So there is a lot of space here to store stuff. Plus you got the two shelves. But overall, I think this would be perfect for any bedroom. You're gonna get the full dresser plus the TV stand. And I love the full charging station. And one cool thing about that is there's two full outlets on it and two USB ports, and these lights actually plug in underneath the charging station. Now I've done a bunch of these. Normally you got to plug the lights into the actual charging station itself, which would take up one of the USB ports. Well, this one you don't have to do that. They're all open for you. So you basically got a full charging station to put on there, whatever you need to put on there. But overall, it's easy to assemble, exactly what I needed for my bedroom. Love the gold handles. I give it 2 thumbs up.